Hawkins Police Department. On Monday, November 6, 1983, a boy by the name of Will Byers was reported missing from his home. The child was last seen leaving the Wheeler residence at around 8:30. If you have any information about the disappearance of Will Byers or any sightings of the child, please contact the Hawkins Police Department. Thank you for your time. This message is transmitted at the request of the Hawkins Police Department. On November 7, 1983, no leads have been made on the disappearance of Will Byers. At the Hawkins laboratory, an interdimensional portal was open while the police were searching for Will Byers. We don't know if this correlates into the kidnapping of Will Byers, but the police will keep updates on this if the situation becomes more confusing. Thank you for your time. This message is transmitted at the request of the Hawkins Police Department. On Tuesday, November 8, 1983, the police are still looking for Will Byers. The only clue is being kept secret by the United States government. The Hawkins High School is holding an assembly for the disappearance of Will Byers. Also, there was another missing person report about Barbara Holland, who was last seen at the Harrington residence. If you have any information about the disappearance of Barbara Holland and Will Byers, contact the Hawkins Police Department. Thank you for your time.
Do not listen to Hawkins laboratory staff.
This message is transmitted at the request of the Hawkins Police Department. On Wednesday, November 9, 1983, state officials found the body of Will Byers in the quarry. It is believed the cause of death is drowning. The funeral of Will Byers will be held in a couple of days. Also, the Hawkins police searched the Hawkins lab and found out multiple lies told from the Hawkins staff. Any information coming from the Hawkins lab staff is to remain untrue until proven right. Also, there are no leads on the disappearance of Barbara Holland. If you have suspicions and also have information, contact the Hawkins Police Department. Thank you for your time.
Welcome back to our local news broadcast. Today a shocking amount of letters came in regarding the situation in Hawkins, Indiana. 2 children have gone missing and it is believed by the townsfolk that the U.S. government is keeping information about their disappearance. Also, numerous numbers of lies were unfolded while the local police investigated the infamous Hawkins laboratory. Chief Jim Hopper had no comment while we tried to interview him. The situation unfolding is becoming really weird, as the more information is unfolded about the history of Hawkins and more. More on that later, but numerous amounts of people were killed today in a shooting that occurred in downtown Los Angeles.
message is transmitted by the request of the Hawkins Police Department. On Thursday, November 10, 1983, several documents containing useful information about Hawkins' laboratory was found. The documents state that there is an interdimensional portal leading to a harmful world called the Upside Down. This world contains the harmful creature known as the demogorgon. The demogorgon is a creature harmful and hostile towards humans. The demogorgon's face splits into 4 separate sides, all containing rows and rows of sharp teeth. Hawkins laboratory officials are traveling in vans all around Hawkins searching for the documents. Please remain calm and let them search your house. Thank you for your time. This message is transmitted at the request of the Hawkins Police Department. The monster was seen in Hawkins Middle School. Repeat, the demogorgon was seen in Hawkins Middle School. On Sunday, November 13, 1983, several Hawkins lab officials spotted the demogorgon entering the Hawkins Middle School. All persons in or around Hawkins Middle School is to leave the scene immediately and not make a sound. If you come into contact with the demogorgon, use any sort of weapon to try and keep it away. Wait for more updates. This message is transmitted at the request of the Hawkins Laboratory in conjunction with the Hawkins Police Department. The monster was successfully removed from the middle school and is being transported to an unknown location. It is believed that 4 children were also seen at the school while the demogorgon was in the school, but nothing can be proven. Also, the body of Will Byers found in the quarry was found to be a fake, as the real Will Byers was found. Barbara Holland was found dead outside the Hawkins laboratory just a couple hours ago. Thank you for your cooperation and regular programming will resume.